So here goes my epic dumbass decision. This is going to be horrible. This is just a Hail Mary shot for no reason other than 1 star. That's all I want. Some damn dumbass reason. I think I can get a star when our number 1 guy couldn't, which is stupid because I can't. I know this is stupid. This is very stupid. I'm a complete dumbass for doing this, but fuck it. This is going to be so stupid. Alright, I got everything. These earthquake spells better fucking work. There we go. Oh, bloody hell. Fuck, I forgot that one. God damn it. Go, you worthless shit. Go. Holy fuck, I got a star. Oh my god. This is fucking awesome. I'm not gonna get 2 stars, but oh well. Come on, you 2 surviving little witches. Or 1. What the fuck is left? Am I missing something? Why the fuck hasn't it got off yet? I'm not sure what the hell's going on with this. Ha! Fuck it. I got a star. Cash money.